Hi, I'm Carmel Debadine. I believe food shouldn't just taste good, but it should look awesome as well. Join me as I bring my kitchen to yours. This is the DB Kitchen. What we have in front of us are the holy trinity of any roast dinner side dish. The potato, the Brussels sprout, and the carrot. Starting with the Hasselbacks, it looks a bit scary at the face of it, but actually it's not about how many cuts you make, it's just about getting them all in there. So do so very carefully by just gently pushing half to 2/3 maximum into your potato. You don't have to go the whole way through or you'll just cut it out. To Hasselback your spuds, lay one potato in front of you. Turn it slightly away from you and press gently to slice around half of the way through the potato. Lather, rinse and repeat until you have that beautiful Hasselback effect on each potato. Into about 100 grams of softened butter, add in some sriracha. We go for about a teaspoon. Or if you'd like a kid-friendly version, go for 1 tablespoon each of finely chopped fresh coriander and Thai basil. That'll put some hairs on your chest. Season your spuds and liberally spread that delicious butter and set everything aside till you're ready. Trim your carrots and season with a little butter from the potatoes, a splash of dark soy and some black pepper. These little bad boys are going to cook perfectly alongside your potatoes at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes to an hour. Make sure you baste them throughout the cooking process with more of that amazing butter until the spuds are nice and crinkly and the carrots are golden. Take your carrots and spuds out of the oven and plate together. You can always top with a little bit of fresh cilantro and some sesame seeds for a bit of extra drama. And there you go, 2 of 3 sides prepared and not a drop of stress. For the full recipe, please go to my website, thedbkitchen.com, and check out our Instagram page @thedbkitchen.